I've never had anything mentally push me like this in a very long time. I don't think maybe even ever.
We're in Stockholm, Sweden, and we're building a wall of Lidl groceries for Mondo to jump over, and it's gonna be pretty incredible.
It's a real jump, huh?
Yeah, it is.
What's your first impression?
For honesty, a little bit nervous, but in a good way, like excited. Like I feel it's a real challenge. It's a real jump. I like to push myself, so I think this would be great, and I think I'll crush it too. So.
Don't need no time, watch. You like my oxygen. Make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in. From the beat to the floor to the couch.
Step one.
Let's do blanket, so let's take it to the next level.
I haven't felt this alive in a long time. I'll tell you that.
So let's bring in the wall.
One of the most strange feelings I've had in my life, if I'm being totally honest.
3, 2, 1, action, Mondo.
I don't know, cameras.
Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, big moment. Let's clear the set, and then we are good to go. First positions, first positions.
It's gonna be super hard if I'm being honest, but now I feel like I'm comfortable enough to give it a go. That's probably the scariest thing I've ever done in my life, actually.
Hey! We are Matmissionen, and we offer discounted products that would otherwise risk going to waste. Thank you so much, Lidl, for donating these products from the project to us.